Stop overpaying for healthy food takeout just because you're tired. If you're buying pre-made vegan meals, you're throwing away $30 a week. I'm literally rebuilding my life from ashes, and this $5 pot of gold keeps me full, keeps me satisfied, and keeps me on a budget. Now let's get cooking. Oh wait, before we start, I want to thank the lovely person who sent me these earrings. My original ones got burnt up in a fire, and I really missed them because you guys know how much I love these earrings, and I appreciate you so much. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. We're working with a $1.38 per serving budget today. Tofu is our inflation-proof protein, but most people cook it wrong. It ends up watery and bland. Well, not today. Instead of slicing, we're tearing the tofu. This creates a massive surface area for that creamy garlic sauce to cling to. This is how you make cheap protein taste like a luxury. For this recipe, we're only using one type of aromatic, garlic. Cook your tofu in a little oil to get it nice and golden brown. I'm practicing my chopstick techniques today. I've been watching Japanese blogs for inspiration, and honestly, using these to flip the tofu is so much calmer than using a bulky spatula. Once they've browned on both sides, then you can bring in the garlic. This only needs 30 seconds to cook before adding our greens. I'm adding the kale because that's what I had in the fridge. However, I do prefer spinach. It should only take about 2 to 3 minutes to wilt, and this should be enough time to keep the garlic from burning before adding the sauce. When it comes to making the sauce, I usually do this right after cutting my veggies. But if you forget, now is a good time. I add nutritional yeast, not just for the cheesiness, but for the protein and B vitamins we need when life feels stressful. This sauce is just plant-based milk and pantry staples, but it's rich like a heavy cream. Let those greens wilt and soak up all those flavors. For $5.50, we have a full pot of creamy, high-protein comfort. That's 4 real meals that will actually keep you full and nourished while we rebuild. And at $1.38 a serving, you're not just saving money, you're getting quality fuel you just can't find in the drive-thru. And in a world that feels heavy and expensive right now, this is how we take our power back. If you're rebuilding like I am, or just trying to survive inflation, you don't have to do it alone. You can find my full budget meal plans and cookbook on my website, thedivinechef.com. The link is in the description below. Thank you for being here with me today, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.